Alright guys, so for this assignment, the objectives are change the grid lines to of the display, add access titles, add a data table. So basically for this, we can pretty much do anything with this chart by just clicking on it. So you can just click on it anywhere and then you can kind of work with it. You'll see these pop up like the chart design, the format. So the first step here is we're gonna add the major, we're gonna get rid of the grid lines, which are these right here that help us basically show when you're passing a certain threshold or when you're making a goal or something like that. That's what these horizontal lines, they're just easier for you to read where the expectations are or what they're not, and then if you're passing them or if you're below them. So we're gonna go to right here to the add chart elements, and then we're gonna go to basically the grid lines here, and you see how this one's checked off. These are the other options too that you have for your grid lines. We're gonna click it and now they're gone. Then we're gonna go back to the chart, and then we're gonna add a primary horizontal access title, and then we're gonna add also a vertical access title. So we'll go ahead and just add that one. Oh, hold on. My bad, sorry about that. That was in the wrong one. Right here's the titles. So we're gonna add this one, and that's gonna give us our horizontal one. And then we're also gonna add our vertical one. So this is a vertical one. And then we're gonna change these. So we're gonna go ahead and change these to a different name. All right, so for this one, we're gonna put the US offices, and then for this one, we're gonna put a revenue. Okay, so that's there. So these are displaying now. And then once we're done with that, we're gonna work with like the fonts and try to just make them look a little better. So I'm gonna put control click, and then we're gonna go to font. And then right here in Latin text font, we're gonna go to Arial. So where is it? Where are you? Right there. So we're gonna click it. And then we want to change this to a 9. I mean, this really just depends on how you want it. So we're gonna change that, and then we'll press OK, and then that'll change. And then we're gonna do the same thing. So control, right click, we're gonna go to font, and then we're gonna go the same thing. So we're gonna go to Arial. And then we're gonna change the font size to 9. And then that's it for that. So you have both right there, they're changed. And then we are going to actually, we're gonna change these two. So for these, we're gonna do the exact same thing. So control right click, we're gonna go to font, and then we're gonna go to the Arial again. And then we're gonna go here to nine, and then click OK. And then we're gonna go here so we can change the horizontal labels. And same thing, control right click, and then we're gonna go to it's not letting me. I'm gonna go to font. Arial. And then we're gonna go to 9, which it's already at. And then we're gonna put OK. All right, so now we are gonna go to the chart title. And then we are going to go to borders. And then for borders, we want to put a solid line option button. So let's do this one. And then we're gonna go to the effects button, and then we're gonna put a shadow effect, and then we're gonna put the offset right button. So we're gonna go here, bottom right, right here. So this is gonna give it like a look like that. It's gonna be like a shadow at the bottom right. And then that'll be it for that. So now we have a border around it, and then we have that shadow effect. So then we're gonna click the chart design. So we're gonna go to here, chart design, and then we're gonna go to the add chart element, and then we're gonna go to the data table. So right here's the data table, and it's showing that it doesn't want to display like all the details of the numbers and all that right here. So basically you can customize it however you want to display the data. In this assignment, it wants us to so it wants us to with legend keys. So it wants us to click this one, and there you go. This is going to show all the data, so it makes it look a little nicer, a lot more informative. So then we're going to go to click over here again, and then it wants us to go to legend, and basically the legend gives you like a little kind of like a little pivot chart, just showing, it's just giving you titles of everything. And then for this one, it wants us to go to the ledger and then put none. So none. Just double confirm that I've got none. Okay, and that's it. Hope this video helped, and have a good day.